Here's a 2019 Jeep Cherokee. You're going to want to take the long way home in this adventurously civilized Cherokee. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Park Sense with Stop Park Assist, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice activation, active grille shutters, memory exterior door mirror settings, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reveals the 2016 Cherokee can deliver plenty of off-roading capability, but the bigger story is that it's civilized and comfortable enough to drive to work every day. The Jeep life fits your life. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.